What if I told you that you can start investing in artificial intelligence stocks today with as little as $1? No experience required, no financial degree needed, just a phone, a free account, and a strategy that actually works. Here's exactly how to do it. Before we get into it, everything in this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. This is where you'll actually buy your stocks, and the good news is, it's completely free. 3 platforms dominate for beginners. Robinhood, minimum investment $1. Fidelity, minimum investment $1. Charles Schwab, minimum investment $5. All 3 are commission-free. 0 fees every time you buy or sell. Pick any one of them. The platform matters a lot less than the decision to start. Let me walk you through exactly what opening an account looks like. You download the app on your phone, you enter your name, email, address, and social security number for identity verification. This is standard and secure. Every regulated brokerage requires it. Then you link your bank account and deposit whatever amount you want to start with. The whole process takes about 10 minutes, and once it is set up, you never have to do it again. Now here's the part that stops most beginners cold. 1 share of NVIDIA costs over $200. That sounds like a lot, but here's what most people don't know. You don't need to buy a full share. Through fractional investing, you can buy a piece of a share for as little as $1. Think of it like a pizza. You don't have to buy the whole thing, you just buy a slice. $5 buys you a $5 slice of NVIDIA. $10 buys a bigger slice, you own the same stock, you get the same percentage gains. You just own a fraction instead of the whole thing, $1. That's your entry point. This changes everything for everyday investors. Before fractional shares existed, you needed hundreds or even thousands of dollars just to buy 1 share of a top company. Today, that barrier is completely gone. A student with $20 can own a piece of the same AI companies that billion-dollar funds are investing in. The playing field has never been more level than it is right now in 2026. Step 2. Know what you're buying. There are hundreds of so-called AI stocks out there. Here are 3 that are actually at the center of the AI revolution. NVIDIA, ticker NVDA. This is the company that makes the chips that power artificial intelligence. 80% of AI data centers worldwide run on NVIDIA hardware. If AI is the race, NVIDIA builds the engines. Microsoft, ticker MSFT. Microsoft has invested $13 billion in OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT. AI is now built into every Microsoft product. Word, Excel, Teams, Azure, Palantir, ticker PLTR. Palantir builds AI software for governments and major corporations. In 2024, it was the single best-performing stock in the entire S&P 500, up 340%. Step 3. Invest a fixed amount every single month, no matter what the market is doing. This strategy is called dollar-cost averaging, and it is the beginner's best friend. Here's how it works. In January, you invest $50. February, $50. March, another $50. Whether the stock is up or down, you keep investing the same amount every month. When prices drop, your $50 buys more shares. When prices rise, your existing shares gain value. Over time, this smooths out the volatility and builds your position steadily, without ever trying to time the market. Consistent, automatic, boring, and it works. Now here's where we have to be completely honest. AI stocks can drop hard and fast. In 2022, the year before the AI boom, NVIDIA fell 50%. Palantir fell 64%. That same year, the S&P 500 dropped around 19%. Investors who panicked and sold in 2022 locked in massive losses. Investors who stayed calm and kept investing through the dip eventually saw extraordinary gains. The lesson is not to avoid AI stocks. The lesson is to only invest money you can genuinely afford to leave alone, not your rent, not your emergency fund. Money you're comfortable leaving invested for years regardless of what the market does in the short term. This is why time horizon matters so much. If you might need this money in 6 months, do not put it in AI stocks. If you are investing money you can leave alone for 3 to 5 years or longer, then short-term volatility becomes irrelevant. The investors who built real wealth in AI were not the ones who timed the market perfectly. They were the ones who stayed in the market consistently. So here is the entire strategy in 4 steps. Step 1. Open a free brokerage account on Robinhood, Fidelity, or Schwab. Step 2. Start with as little as $1 using fractional shares. Step 3. Pick 1 or 2 AI stocks you actually understand. Step 4. Invest a fixed amount every single month consistently for years. That's it. That is the whole strategy. Simple, disciplined, patient. That's how everyday investors build real wealth in AI. If this guide helped you, subscribe for new AI stock guides every single week. Drop your first investment amount in the comments, even if it's just $5. I read every single one. See you next week.